Hi, and welcome back to Sadler of Nails. So I did this really cute Easter springish rose design on my natural nails, and I recorded it so that I could show you all how I did it. Now, I used this Rbber base coat by Madame Glam called India, and I was actually hoping that the pink pigment was going to be a lot more visible. So here's me putting down a second coat to try to get the pink to show through a little bit more. I really thought this was going to be more of like a cover color. I'm not sure why, but we will go with it. So I'm top coating. I'm just using the base coat as my base color, pretty much. So I'm top coating that because the roses we're just going to paint on top of the top coat and then make them textured. So these are the nails before I decorate them. And to do the roses, I'm using the new Easter egg collection from Madame Glam. They were so kind to send this to me to try out, and I just love all the colors. So we're using Pinkster, Springbloom, Lilyscent, and then Euphoria and Rebirth. And then to make the roses textured, I'm just going to sprinkle on top some clear acrylic powder. And the brand I have is by Ugly Duckling. So to start off, to paint the rose, I'm using my long fine liner brush from Madame Glam. And we're just loading it up, starting with the pink. And this is typically how I do my roses. I kind of just do two C's, kind of kissing each other. And then from then, I just place the other petals. And roses are the type of design where you kind of just have to trust the process, because they do look a little crazy at first, but then once you have about 3 to 5 petals down, it starts to look like a rose. So before we cure, I'm just going to sprinkle over top some clear acrylic powder. Now, if you have color acrylic that matches the color that you're painting with, you can go ahead and use that. I like to use clear because it's just the most versatile for me. You can put it on every color, it's clear. So the next nail we're going to use Lilyscent, which is this like gorgeous, gorgeous lilac color. I love this color. I think this color is my favorite out of the entire collection. Leave a comment which color out of the collection is your favorite. There is one that I don't use, which is a glitter polish, but I do have another idea coming for a press-on nail set, which I do plan on using that color. So stay tuned. I've got a lot more Easter/spring nail designs to come. Now, with doing roses, my biggest issue is knowing when to stop. Like, I can put down petal after petal after petal, so I just have to literally tell myself to stop and then continue on with the rest of the process. So there are the two colors down, pink and purple together. Looks so nice. Now this third color, which is this gorgeous, it's like a seafoam green. That's what I would call it. But look at how it paints. It is so pigmented. All of the Madame Glam polishes are just a dream to do nail art with. They really are. If you guys want, of course, always you can use my code BeckyTK40 to get 40% off. However, I believe this entire collection, if you buy the whole egg, it's already discounted, and I don't think you can use my code on items that are already discounted. But anything that is full price that you want to get 40% off, then please use my code and save your money. Now on to my itty bitty pinky nail. We're using this baby blue polish. all these colors are just so perfect for spring. So if you really need to, you know, amplify your gel nail collection with spring colors, oh my God, get this Easter egg. It's such a good deal. And their polishes are so good and so easy, especially if you're a beginner, because gel polish can be tricky and messy if it's not a good quality brand like Madam Glam. And they are HEMA free, totally awesome. Last but not least, the thumb. Now, I do want to mention that with these textured designs, some people complain that they can get dirty. I don't find that they really get that dirty, but if you do find that they do, you can just wipe it with some isopropyl alcohol to just clean any dirt off the texture, and that will, or wash your hands with soap and water, and it will come clean to the color. Some other people have also mentioned that their texture wears off. I have never had that, so it may be due to the quality of products that you're using. I'm not sure. I've always found that these textured designs honestly hold true to the day I did them. Like the day I take them off, they look just as good as the day that I did them. And on a press-on nail set, it's usually like 2 weeks. So yeah, that's the nail set. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe.